5:15. Checking in with David over in the weather studio. David, it's going to be a beautiful day, but a windy one.
Yeah, a little bit more wind out there than we've had lately. So that's something you'll want to watch out for if you do have some outdoor plans. There might be a sprinkler or two here this morning as well, but not expecting a lot of rainfall out there today. The main focus is going to be those winds gusting up to 25 or even 35 miles an hour at times, but also the warm air. We're talking upper 70s and low 80s here across the state, so a little bit more summer warmth out there. We do have some more rain chances here tonight into Tuesday and Wednesday, but they all look pretty spotty. No big rounds of heavy rain coming through, at least for the first half of the week. There's some clouds rolling through right now. That combined with those south winds out there has helped to keep our temperatures pretty mild to start off the day. But you see there are a few showers or sprinkles here in northwestern Iowa. A lot of this likely not reaching the ground because of some dry air. There's some more sprinkles into eastern Nebraska. All this moisture is moving from west to east, so we'll see those clouds moving through our skies here for the morning hours and maybe a sprinkle or two through about the lunch hour. And then we'll see some clearing and drier weather for the afternoon. And again, if you do have some plans to get outside here this morning, I really don't think those sprinkles will have much of an impact on any outdoor activities. Right now, 58 degrees, south to southeast breeze, about 10 miles an hour. So already a touch on the breezy side. 60 degrees in Fort Dodge, 60 in Spencer, 59 in Algona. So we got some pretty mild air, especially along and west of I-35. A little cooler to the east, but still in the 50s, 52 in Waterloo, 51 Iowa City. There's those southeast winds right now, 10 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts already over 30 miles an hour in Spencer. And as we work through the day, you can see those gusts getting pretty strong, particularly during the afternoon hours. But even during the morning, we're seeing some gusts over 20 miles an hour here in the metro. So it is going to be a breezy one. You can see those winds through the morning hours. Here's the lunch hour, 25, 30 miles an hour. And once we get past the lunch hour, we get a little of that sunshine. That's when we'll likely see some of the strongest wind gusts out there during the afternoon, early evening. They die off a little bit there after sunset, but look what happens overnight. We have a cold front that moves through, and that'll bring some breezy north winds into Monday, and that'll actually bring our temperatures back down. So today we're tracking some clouds, maybe some sprinkles here through the lunch hour. Then we get a little more sunshine during the second half of the day, and look at those temperatures surging into the upper 70s and low 80s. I think we're about 78 to 80 here in the metro, but look at all these 80s across western and southwestern Iowa. Yeah, a little taste of summer out there here today. Tonight, maybe a sprinkler or two once again, down to 57, 70 tomorrow with partly cloudy skies, a few more scattered showers Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the 60s to around 70, and then we're back into the upper 70s by Thursday.